The chief combatant was the Imperial Army and Navy forces of the nation of Japan. So now as we turn the hands of time back, our B-25 comes in from your airshow run and getting set up on an attack run, the first of its attack runs on an enemy airfield. The pilot brings the aircraft in low and retiring as a distinguished servant of the community. He has also been a pilot for several major airlines and will soon be checking out in the CAF Southern California's North American AT-6 Texan. Roland is super busy herding all of the Southern California CAF pilots around as the unit's operations officer. He also lives The PBJ today is being flown by Mike Holes and Roland Fogel. Mike's call sign is Donut. Donut got his start in aviation by joining the United States. Get away from his gun sights. Coming in from the right, the PBJ initiates the second of its attack runs. The zero, right behind the wing. A 50 caliber on the left, a 50 on the right, and in the tail section, the tail gunner with two 50 caliber machine guns able to take on any attack from the rear of the aircraft, such as the Second World War. From airshow left, as the power comes up on the PBJ and the Zero, the attack by the Zero continues, and not to be outdone, the Mitchell continues its attack run by the enemy. By David Price of the Santa Monica Museum of Flying. Restored mostly in Russia during the mid-90s, X-133, as it's known, was returned to the United States, where fighter rebuilders at Chino completed the restoration. Now from the right, the Zero changing its looking as it pulls up and away, but still not undaunted. The pilot will continue his attack on the PBJ, and for many years feared by the United States Army Air Corps. In order to make the aircraft so light and maneuverable, Horikoshi had to compromise several design issues. A couple of these were armament, of which there is none, virtually none on the aircraft, and also the use of self-sealing fuel tanks. They maneuver by hitting a fuel tank or an integral structural element of the aircraft, as displayed here today. And ladies and gentlemen, from your airshow right, the PBJ is setting up for landing and high overhead and making one more pass before he sets up to land. Rob Hertberg in Mitsubishi A6M3